Hey guys, we received this Luzix new gesture sensing RC stunt car with a night music and as a test and try sample. It's a hand gesture remote control car, 360-degree spins with a double side twisted glove controlled RC car. So it can be used by anyone. And then let's just open the box. It's a nice blue color and then the accessories. So you can operate it through the remote or you can operate it through the hand watch like for the your gesture sensing or other things. So you can put it on the finger and then like this, and then you can do the sensing. So this requires two AAA batteries, and then you can just put it in the remote to do that. And also this car is the rechargeable battery, so you can just put in here. One battery is inside, and there is one extra battery also. So you can just attach this battery with this connector and then put it inside the car. So once this is all fully charged and you can just put in the battery. So these are the LED lights, very nice attractive LED lights and the music. And then also you have to put in the two AA batteries inside this remote to start working with that. So I will just show both the sensing and this. So I will be just fast with that. So once you put in the remote, it get automatically attached and you can do the sensing from here. So this car can do a lot of stuff and you can see a very nice fast scrolling of these tires and also different stunt. So fast speed and play time along with these two batteries. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter and it's a double side driving as well. So you can see like with the lights is a really fast moving here. So it's 360-degree rotation, can climb on the stuff on the side and then go sidewise as well. You can do a lot of stuff, a lot of playtime and a lot of other things with it. But the thing is, it's a really fast car with a fast speed. And it's a great fun for the kids as well. And then maybe like for the adults like me to like just to operate and have a different functions. So this is now with the sensing that I'm using, and I can also control it with the sensing with the finger. Like you can see it here, but of course it requires some time to finally do it in a right way. And then you can learn with the time, and you can see like the rotation and stuff along with the sensing thing as well. So it's a great thing for the kids to do. And a fun car with the fun things with the LED lights, music, your the gestures, remote and stuff. And requires a really a good training to use this gesture thing. It's not easy. And then for the recharging the batteries, you can just put in this charger and then put it in the USB and it will charge. A nice car.